Hello everyone. Welcome in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, we are reading voice. In the previous video, student, we have read the rules of voice, kinds of voice, and the present tense, how to change into active to passive. So student, what is voice? A voice is that form of verb which shows whether what is denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. Students, voice is that form of verb which shows whether what is denoted by the subject. What is denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. So these two things are important here, that subject does something or has something done to it. So with the help of example, we will make it clear. Now student, how many kinds of voices are? There are two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. Now with the help of example, make it clear. So in active voice, this example is here. Ajay writes a letter. What is the passive of it? A letter is written by Ajay. Here student, in the first sentence, a letter is the object of the verb writes and it becomes the subject of is written in the passive voice. So it is noticed that when the verb is changed, the active to passive, the object of transitive verb write and the object of transitive verb I in the active voice becomes the subject of passive voice. So this is very important here student, that we must have transitive verb because intransitive verb has no object. So it is very important that we must have transitive verb, otherwise we can't change into passive voice. And what is Ajay here? Ajay is the subject and it changed into passive voice here. Passive object, that is the agent, and by is the preposition here. And write is V5 and it changed into V3 and is the auxiliary verb here. So student, we have explained here that we have to change according to the rule of active to passive. We change subject into object and object into subject place. We change the place of subject and object. And auxiliary verb is very important in passive and verb third form is also very important in passive. Now student, we are in this video we are going to read about simple past tense, past continuous tense and past perfect tense, that how to change in active into passive. So what is the active form of simple past tense or past indefinite? We have already read tenses student. So what is the structure of active voice? Subject plus V2 then object. Now what will be the passive here? Passive voice, subject, then the auxiliary verb was or were, then verb third form, then preposition by, and then the agent. It means the object, passive object. Now for example, he stole my book. Here he is subject, so it become the object here and it object place it comes. That's why in objective form, what is the objective form of he? Him. Now my book is the object here, so it comes on the subject place, my book. Now according to my book, what will be the helping verb here? Was or were? Was. And student, here the verb is stole, V2. So what will be here? V3, stolen. So what is the passive here? My book was stolen by him. Now second example, the police caught. The police caught here, CAUGST, caught. The people caught the thief. So the thief is what here? Object. So it comes at the subject place. Then here the thief is the object here, that it comes at the subject place, and the police is the object here, subject here, and it comes at the object place of passive sentence. And student, for thief, what will be the helping verb here? Was, because it is singular. And then caught. Caught is V2 also and V3 also. So the passive will be the thief was caught by the police. Now past continuous tense. Students, what is the structure of past continuous tense? Subject, then was were, ing form and object. Now in passive what will be? Subject, was were, helping verb, was were only. Now being, because here ing form is, so for ing form what will be used? Being. And then verb third form is necessary, agent by is necessary, and then the agent means passive object. Now for example, number 1, he was writing a letter. So here student, a letter is the object, so a letter becomes the subject here in passive. Then watch, a letter, watch or were, was is correct here. Now the word being is written here, being is very necessary. Now writing is written here, so what is the V3 of write? Written. Then the preposition by, and then what will be the objective form of he? Him. So a letter was being written by him. Now next example, the children were making a noise. So the children was making what? A noise. So a noise is what here? Object. So it comes at the subject place. Now for a noise, what will be the helping verb? Was. And then the word being and make is the V1 here. So what will be the V3? Made. Then the preposition by, and then subject is here the children. So here the agent will be what? The children only. So the passive is a noise was being made by the children. Now next one is students, past perfect tense. So what is the structure of past perfect tense? Subject plus had plus verb third form and then the object. Now what will be the passive? Subject, then had been word here student, been, then verb third form and then by, and then the agent means passive object. Now student, what is the example here? They had completed their homework. So what they completed? Their homework. So their homework is what? Object. So it comes at the subject place. Now after that had and been, then V3 completed, already completed, and by preposition, and what is the objective form of they? Them. So the homework, their homework had been completed by them. Next example, the players had won the match. The players had won what? The match. So the match is what? The object here. So the object will become here the subject. Then after had been, won is V3 also, and then preposition by, and then the subject is players here. So here in passive the object will be the players only. So the passive is here, the match had been won by the players. Now next one is student, future tense. Simple future tense. What is the structure of simple future? Active voice. Here structure will be what? Subject plus will, shall, then V1, then object. It is the base form, means the simple future tense structure. And now what will be the passive? Subject, will, shall, and be, then verb third form, then the preposition by, and then the agent means passive object. Now for example, he will teach me. Here student, he will teach whom? Me. So me is what here? Object. So me change into subjective form I. For I, what will be the helping verb? Shall. Then after be, then teach V1, V3 is taught. Then the preposition by, and after that, what will be the objective form of he? Him. So the passive will be I shall be taught by him. Now student, next example. The postman will deliver the letters. The postman will deliver what? The letters. So the letters is object here. So it becomes the subject here. After that, will or shall? Will. Then after be, delivered. Deliver is V1, delivered is V3. Then the preposition by, and then after the postman. It becomes the object. So the letter will be delivered by the postman. So it is clear here, student. Now next one, future perfect tense. There is no any rule of future continuous tense to change into active to passive. It's rare. So future perfect tense we can change it here, student. Active voice. What is the structure of active voice of future perfect tense? Subject, will have or shall have, then verb third form, and then the object. What will be the passive here? Subject, will have, shall have, and then been, and then the verb third form, then preposition by, and then the agent means passive object. For example, example number 1. The police will have caught the terrorist. The police will have caught what? The terrorist. So the terrorist is the object here. So it becomes the subject here. Now after that, will have or shall have? Will have. According to terrorist, what will be here? Will have. Will have, then after the word been. Caught is already V3. Then after the preposition by, and the police comes here at the object place. So what will be here? The passive one. The terrorist will have been caught by the police. Now second example. The chemist will have closed the shop by 10 o'clock. Students. So what is the chemist here? Subject. It comes at the object place. And what is the object here? The chemist will have closed what? The shop. So the shop will be what here? Object. So it comes at the subject place. The shop. After that, what will be? Will have or shall have? Will have. So write the will have for the shop. And then after the word been, closed is V3, right? Closed. Then after the preposition by, and by whom? By the chemist. And the time is written here by the 10 o'clock. So write here by 10 o'clock. The is wrong here. So by 10 o'clock. So student, what will be the passive? The shop will have been closed by the chemist by 10 o'clock. So we have read here, student, future perfect tense. Now there is no any rule for future perfect continuous tense. So here tense is clear. Now in the next video we will read some special rule of active to passive in some other structure of the sentences. Thank you for watching the video, students. Like my videos, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.